Good afternoon, guys. Welcome back. Welcome back with the third regular puzzle. The third regular puzzle of today's newspaper on Tuesday, May the 21st, 2024. And I've told you earlier, in this newspaper we have only 3 regular puzzles, and 2 of those I've already solved. The 3 stars and the 4 star Sudoku. So it's time now for the JigSaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic. In this newspaper, no extra puzzles. And the news of today, well, I've told you, the president of Iran, Raisi, killed by a helicopter crash. Yeah, killed by a helicopter crash. That's the news of today. This will be number 8574. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. 16 printed digits should be an easy one, because the hard ones is always 8, 9 or 10 printed digits. So I think this one should be a 0 stars. 0 stars, I need 14 or 30 minutes. Maybe a 1 star. 1 star need to be faster than 15 minutes. Alright. But it's indicated with 3 stars. For 3 stars puzzle, 20 to 30 minutes. So is this a 3 stars or 1 star or 0 stars puzzle? We don't know, we will see. So let's get started. Let me see. Alright. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always 1. Here single box, there single box, always a 1. Next question, do we have a dual box? Contains the 1 and the 2. Oh, overlook this dual single box. Also a 1. Dual boxes contains the 1 and the 2. No dual boxes. I see a couple of triple boxes. Here triple box, there triple box, and there triple box. The triple box contains the 1, 2, and the 3. Well, this box gave me 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. This box gave me 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. And the 3 could be everywhere. But when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, the inside box, is always 4 or a 5. Okay. Same for here. This box can be 2. 2 could be here, could be there. And the 1 and the 3 could be everywhere. The inside box is always 4 or a 5. Well, we have a 4 there, so it can be 4 anymore. This box should be a 5. It's in this area I've already filled in 4 or a 5. We have a 5 now, so this box should be a 4 then. Okay, and the other numbers could be everywhere. Here, another triple box. Well, I cannot fill those numbers. Need to wait. So, next strategy is to... oh no. Next question is, do we have here quadra boxes? Contains the 1, the 2, the 3, and the 4. Only 1 quadra box. Well, these 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this quadra box for numbers 1 and the 4. 1 and the 4, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 4 goes there. Well, my next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, the T shape. Let me draw the T shape here. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. But also, that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. Alright. The T shape. More T shapes? No. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright. Only one of this kind. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes here? Mirrored. this box has the same number as that box. And those, no, yeah, and those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 3 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6, not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 3 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. These 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for 2 in this triple box should be there. So 2 numbers left, the 1 and 3, 1 and a 3. Alright. Then these 2 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area, supposed to be here. 2 numbers left, the 1 and 3, we have a 1 now, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 3 goes there. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1, should be a 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 3. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be in 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and the 5. 4 and the 5. Let me mark those. 4 and the 5. 4 and the 5 is connected with that box. Should be also 4 and the 5. This box can be a 1, so the 1 goes together with the 2 as a pair. So 1 digit left in this triple box for number 3 is connected with that box, should be so 1 and 2. This one is also connected with that box, should be also 1 and 2. And this one is also connected with 1 and a 2. Okay. Then, this box can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. Alright, these 3 boxes surround the 5 can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area. Supposed to be here. This box can be 1, that box can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Supposed to be here. 2 numbers left for numbers 3 and the 4. 3 and 4, we have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 4 goes there. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 3 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 3. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So the 1 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 3 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 5. 2 and 5, we have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 2 goes there. Alright. Then, let me see. Mark those 2 boxes with a 4. We have a 4 now, so this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. 4 and a 5. We have a 4 now, so this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. This box should be a 5. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 4. These 2 boxes can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. Then, let me see. Come on. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 2. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 1. These 2 boxes can be 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1, but also that box can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So the only place left for the 1 in this area is supposed to be here. This box can be 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. Now we have a double 4. That means that this box can be 4 anymore. If I place a 4 here, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those 2 boxes. So another solution, place the 4 there. The only place left for 4 should be there. Mark those 2 boxes under with 4. We have a 4 now, so this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. 2 numbers left for numbers 2 and 5. 2 and 5. I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2. We have a double 2 there. Can be a 3. Can be 4. Can be a 5. We have a double 5 there. Yeah, definitely a 1. 2 numbers left for in this W area shape for numbers 2 and the 3. 2 and the 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 2 goes there. 2 and the 5, we have a 2 now, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 5 goes there. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1. Should be a 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. And I've eliminated here the 4, so the 4 goes there. 1 box left in this area for number 3. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Supposed to be here. These 2 boxes can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Supposed to be here. Is connected with that box, should be also 1. 1 box left in this triple box for number 2. Is connected with that box, should be also 2. Is also connected with that box, should be also a 2. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this W area shape. Supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 2 and a 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 2 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this triple box. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this triple box for numbers 1 and a 2. We have 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 2 goes there. This box is connected with that box. Should be so a 3. 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area for numbers 1 and the 5. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 5. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Then I think this box should be a 5 because can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. We have a 4 in the same area. Yeah, 1 digit left should be the 5. And the final 2 numbers in this area for numbers 1 and the 3. 1 and 3, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Finish 11 minutes. We solve it again. Definitely 0 stars. Definitely 0 stars. And I like this one, yes, I really do. If you think so, thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve myself. Thank you again for watching. And we will meet again tomorrow on Wednesday. So have a great and fantastic Tuesday. Until then, bye-bye for now.